What's the meaning of bad hair day? Bad hair day. Bad hair day.
Bad hair day. Bad hair day. A bad hair day is a common phrase used to describe a day when someone's hair looks messy, unmanageable, and generally does not look the way they want it to. It can happen due to various reasons including humidity, static in the hair, rain or wind, using the wrong hair products, or simply waking up on the wrong side of the bed. People often use this phrase humorously to describe a day when nothing seems to go right and they feel like they look unkempt. It can be frustrating and embarrassing, but it is also a relatable experience that many people have gone through at some point in their lives.